are you doing? No, you. Oh, shut up!
You just.
Shut up!
You're videoing your car. Did one of them just say limbo?
Guys, quiet! This is
Dude, we've got a call coming, I think.
scary Katniss. This is like double
Dude, there's
bad
a call
luck.
coming.
You can see its eyes.
Tell him. Here, tell him.
Alright, shut up.
There's a call coming.
I know. Mama. You're a weird cat.
They're like, oh.
Tell him. Like, I'm pretty sure there's a call coming.
I know. Don't worry about it.
It's starting for us. Okay, never mind.
Quiet. Don't worry about the car. It's not going to hit me.
It's getting bridle.
Don't worry about it. Just be really quiet or else I'll be very pissed off. Yeah, man. Is it moving? Get serious. Come on, cat. This is insane.
Yeah. You know, we're going in the middle of the street and there's a car coming for us.
Can't say that.
Keep turning so the video looks.
Yeah, car.
Who cares? This is interesting. All right, come on, let's back up so they like make more noise. All right, quiet, quiet. Babies.
Are you gonna put this on YouTube?
We should.
I'm gonna show all my friends. Definitely.
Am I gonna be in it?
Probably. Wait,
Did you see
Quiet.
Did you see a guy with a naked guy on his shirt?
Quiet.
Dude, John Cena.
Quiet. Quiet.
Both saying it. Okay, good. He was gonna turn.
All right, come on, let's hide. Seen them make.
All
right.
Here anyway.
That's cool.
Nick.
Stop making noise.
No, we started in the first place.
Here, let's hide. Get a video. Dude. Oh, dude, get down. Dude, is that cat pregnant? It's just sitting there moaning.
Oh, look, it's easy. Oh, it's tiny.
Dude.